Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low.
Hey guys, welcome to another Mommy Chronicle. I think this is Chronicle 3. Yeah, welcome back. I didn't vlog all this week. Today's Thursday and I'm just getting started. So hopefully I can get all my footage in for today. Be done by Friday. Usually I'm done by Friday, but so much happened this week that I wasn't able to pick up the camera, but you know, I have to be consistent. So welcome to another day in my life. I am starting a bit late, but that's okay. As long as you start, that's just the most important part, is just getting started. Okay, we don't care where you start, just get started. Anyways, welcome back and let's get into the madness. Okay, let's go on downstairs to see. I still haven't figured out dinner and it's 12, almost 1 o'clock. I think my husband's picking up the kiddos, so I don't have to worry about that, but I do have to find, let's go downstairs. So I do have to find a form. Okay, so I do have to find a form. It's called Save Your Seat for my children's private school. So it's that time of year where you save your seat and their school is filling up fast. So if I don't save my seat, my son won't. Well, Maddie's fine. They already got her form. But Jackson, yep, sure enough, he left this form right here. So I have to drop that off. So it's a good thing I found that, yes. What else is going on? School is going great. School is going well. Speaking of school, there's something else important. I'm always putting you guys right here, but there's something else important that I have to do right now. I have to take all my vitamins. Make sure you take your vitamins. I take women's multi, and I also have to take iron because just band on my arm. It's an emergency wrist thing. They have blood on hand for me because, yeah, that's if I need it. Hopefully everything goes well with my body from now until Sunday. So hopefully I don't need this guy, but it's on my arm. I can't remove it until Sunday. So yeah, but I am taking all my vitamins because my body is falling apart. It's like almost 60 outside, 60 degrees outside, and I am freezing. That's the reason why I have, oh man, I have these. Wait, if I fall off of here, yeah, if I fall off, it's y'all fault because I do the most for y'all. And then I have to take calcium. I have to take a lot of stuff for my body to function, but it's okay. Do what you gotta do, okay? So take your vitamins, please. You don't want to end up like me, walking around like a whole mad woman. But for dinner, we are having curry chickpeas. So I'm gonna take out my chickpeas and soak that. Someone is coming here at 4 o'clock to take a look at the basement because they will be doing the basement downstairs. They're gonna do drywall. So we ordered some stuff from Lowe's. It came. I'm gonna take y'all down there and show y'all the progress of the basement. And so someone's coming at 4, so I have to make sure the house is straightened up. So we're gonna do that, and I don't think I've shown y'all the living room since it got set up, so I'm gonna show you guys that.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop.
Okay, so I cleaned up that space. I still have to mop the floor, but I think I'm gonna do that later because I have this area over here to clean. Then I'm gonna do that, but I need to get something to eat. It's been I ate at 10. I think it's 2 o'clock now, so I have to get something to eat. I don't know what I want to eat, so let's do that. On a good note is that I got my truck back. It came back. They dropped it off 2 days ago. They dropped it back off. So I'm gonna show you guys my baby. I don't think I showed y'all her. So this is my boo. I know you guys have, I don't think I've shown you guys my truck. So it's white and it's tinted. So when I'm driving, and it's dark in here. So that's the peanut butter color that I was telling y'all about. And then it's black. The other one was white. So I have my truck back and I think they fixed everything. I believe they fixed everything. They said they fixed everything that was wrong with it. But today when I was driving, the emergency assistance, collision assistance popped up and there was no car in front of me. My battery is dying, so I gotta go charge it. I made curry chickpeas. My battery's dying and I can't find the charger, so this is the end of day 1. I need to find the charger, but I made curry chickpeas and they devoured it. So yeah, there's that. So I can't find the charger for my battery, so I'll pick back up tomorrow. Have a good night, guys. Good morning. So we're getting some work done on our basement. And they're here, so I wanted to show y'all before they start what it's looking like. So this is the drywall and this is the room that they're gonna frame out. They're here, so let me let them in. And then that's the door. Hold on.